Guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use your computer keyboard, and by doing this you'll feel like pro. So let's get started. When you try to install some software or game, your computer asks you, is your Windows 32-bit or 64-bit? So for that, like most of the time we get confused like how to find this information. So it's quite easy. So for this demonstration, I'll use a virtual keyboard to show you how you can do that. To find that, you just need to press this window button and pause button. And some keyboard has pause or some keyboard has break. So it's the same thing. When you do that, a window will pop up on your system and it will show all the information regarding your system, which processor your system is using, how much RAM you have, which operating system you have, 64-bit or 32-bit. So this is the information you need to install right software onto your computer. So this way you can get all the information regarding your computer. Sometimes we get freeze screen on our windows, like if sometimes Google Chrome gets stuck and it like we are not able to do anything, we cannot close it, we cannot minimize it. Or if you are playing some sort of game, like, and it's sometime at the start of the game it just get hang and you are not able to use anything. To overcome this thing, there's a short keys for that. For this you need to press three keys: Control, Shift and Escape together. So this will pop up Task Manager on your window. So this Task Manager will show all the active programs on your Windows. So like I'm running all these things. So if suppose this is the thing like which is causing problem to my window, it will show not responding in front of it. So I just right click on it and do end tasks. This way we can close that program. There's another cool hotkey which will help you in getting all the information of your system. Like you can access control panel, you can access your system information. So for this you just need to press this Windows plus X. So it will open this dialog box which will have all the system information. Like if you click system, you'll get the system information, driver, device manager. If you want to install or uninstall something, you can go in control panel, you can access search, you can run, you can shut down your system from here. So this is another cool feature in when you press Windows plus X. If you're using multiple windows and you want to minimize your one of your windows, so there's a shortcut for that. You just press this window key and down key, so it will minimize your window. So and if you want to maximize this window, just press Windows key and up key, so it will maximize your window. If you have many windows open, like I have many windows open, so if you want to scroll through different windows, there's a short key. You can press Alt plus tab, so you will get different options. Whichever window you want to select, you can select that window and you can go to that window. This shortcut helps you jump around windows very easily. There is another shortcut, like if you have many windows open and you want to go on desktop, there's a simple window, press this window key and D. When you do that, you will be on desktop. If you want to go back, just simply press Windows and D again, you will be back again. So this is the shortcut I use in day-to-day life. If you are working on something and you want to access your My Computer file or some folders, you just have to press this window key and E. So it will open up this menu. So here's My Computer desktop. You can have access to all your files. So there's another useful key for opening up your folders. And for some reason, if you want to cycle through this icon on the taskbar, there's a shortcut for that. You just have to press Windows key and the number 1 will open this, number 2 will open this, number 3 will open third icon, fourth icon, fifth icon. So I'll show you how to open second icon because it's not open. If I press Windows key and 2, so it will open this window for me. So this is the easy way to access all the pin item on your taskbar. Just press window and the number that you want to open. Like if I want to open 3, if a window and 3, it will open my this tool. And there's an easy way to lock your system. If you're leaving from work, you just press Windows key and this letter L, so it will lock up your screen. Like, I don't know if it's getting recorded or not, so it will lock up your screen like that. So it's so easy to lock up your screen. And finally, if you want to shut down your screen and you don't want to go to this menu and click here and shut down, there's a shortcut for that as well. Just press this window key, X key, and U key twice. So it will shut down your window. So I'm not going to do that. If I do that, like, it will shut down my window altogether. If you press Windows key, X key, and U key 2 times, so it will shut down your system. Thank you for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please do like and subscribe my channel, and please leave comment in the comment section which key helps you the most. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video.